In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs editable by anyone. If you've ever needed to collaborate on a document with friends, classmates, or colleagues, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. Whether it's a project, a report, or any other kind of document, making it accessible and editable by others is quite simple. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to start by opening up the Google Doc that you'd like to share. Once you've got it open, you can type and format your content as you please. Take your time to ensure everything looks good. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of your Google Doc. You'll notice a button labeled Share, usually accompanied by an icon that looks like a lock or a head and shoulders silhouette. When you hover your mouse over this icon, it'll indicate that your document is currently private, accessible only to you. To make this document editable by others, click on the Share button. A new window will pop up, which is where you'll configure the access settings. In this window, you'll see an option labeled General Access. By default, you may notice that it is set to Restricted. This means only people you expressly invite can view or edit your document. What you need to do next is change this setting from Restricted to Anyone with the Link. Click on the Change to Anyone with the Link option. Now, under the same General Access section, you'll also see a drop-down beside an option that currently reads Viewer. This setting gives people access to view the document, but not to make any changes. To allow others to edit the document, click on this drop-down menu and change the role from Viewer to Editor. This ensures that anyone with the link will have full editing capabilities. Finally, you'll want to click on the Copy Link button at the bottom of this window. This action will save the link to your clipboard, making it easy to share. You can now paste this link in an email, a chat, or anywhere you need, and whoever receives the link will be able to access and edit your Google Doc. And just like that, you've made your Google Doc editable by anyone with the link. This is incredibly useful for real-time collaboration and ensures everyone can contribute equally. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.